welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the Lasfit LS Plus LED lights. These are the H11. We're going to install them on the fog lights of our 2021 Toyota Rav4. This video is sponsored by Lasfit. So if you want to make any purchase, I'll put the link in the description below. You can also save 10% by using my discount code FGSAVE10. So come on, let's check the specs of this particular light and we'll do the install, and at the end of the video we're going to compare them with the Hikari Acme X. Alright, let's check. Okay, as you can see here, the specs, they have a custom Lasfit 80mm high power LED chip on this particular model. These are also compatible 9 volts to 16 volts. As I said, they have 72 watts, which is 36 watts per bulb. And for the lumens, these are a total of 8,000 lumens per set, 4,000 lumens per bulb. These are 6,000K in color. It includes 2-year warranty. So this particular packaging, I love the packaging, feels premium, very premium on it. I love it. So let's open the box. Okay, so unboxing it now. All right, so that's what we have. So have manual, which will be straightforward really. We have some stickers in here. We have some 3 decals, basically black, red, and white. And we have the actual bulbs. This looks nice. Nice. See that? They have some cover in there to protect the chips, the LED. That's a big fan in there. For sure, that's a big fan. Yeah, so let me get the Hikari. Let's put them side by side, but right now this feels premium. One thing, the one advantage of the LED controller being in here, not built in, is less heat on the actual bulb. So that's one good thing about that. Just need to put this somewhere basically in your car that it's not gonna melt or anything, because these are hot. But again, I like the cable, it's braided. Let me get the Hikari so that we can compare them. Okay, so side by side comparison. This is the Hikari Acme X. This is the new one, and this is the LS Plus. Yeah, the fan, it's basically big. So that's a lot of cooling that you're gonna get from the Lasfit. So with the Hikari, it's a small fan in there, but I got good experience with Hikari. So I've been using the Hikari in my older cars. I'm satisfied, but now I'll be using Lasfit to check. So I've been satisfied with the Lasfit that I have. So now this is their top of the line, so let's see how it performs. So yeah, so with the specs of this one, I'll just put it on the screen. I don't have it handy. Yeah, so I'll put it somewhere here. Yeah, so let's install both. This will be on the passenger side and the Lasfit will be on the driver's side. So come on, let's do a quick install. Again, this will be the install video for the Lasfit LS Plus. Okay, so to remove or to install the fog light, we have to remove this bolt, the screw, and there's a clip in here that we have to remove. We're also gonna remove, there's a clip down here, and also there'll be like 3 screws down here that we have to remove. Usually if you haven't removed yours, there will be one more in here, which I did remove already. But yeah, and that done, you'll have access to the fog light in here, and it will be easy. So it's up to you if you want to turn your wheel to the passenger passenger side direction to have more room. Again, that's up to you. I've done it by moving it or not. So yeah, it is doable. All right, so let me just remove this and we'll proceed with the install. Okay, so now the screw and tabs or clips are removed. We need to remove the fender liner. Just flip this out and then you can pull the fender liner out. This will be very easy. This is soft. Yeah, it's like a cloth material. I don't know what material is this, but it is very soft. Yeah, so as you can see, we have access now on the inside. As I mentioned, if you want more room, you can move the tire out. So I'm just gonna use my utility light in here to show you where the light is. So we're just gonna remove that, then we're gonna install it there. All right. Okay, so just a quick tip in here. Don't forget to remove the cover on the LED. Right, so let's install this very quickly in here. Okay, so we have the Lasfit installed on the driver side, and we have the high carry installed on the passenger side. So now let's compare them on the road. Okay, so now quick comparison of the high carry and the Lasfit. Now, as you can see here, there's a little dead spot on the high carry side, which is the passenger side. With the color temperature comparison, they both claim to be 6,000 K, but the high carry looks warmer. So I think if you're gonna advertise something, be true or be honest about it. So Lasfit, it is closer to the 6,000 K, which I cannot really measure this color output, but it looks better. It's much more white, much cooler. But for inclement weather though, warmer color, as we all know, will be better. I'll be putting yellow films on this anyway, so it doesn't matter. But at least the brightness, at what I can see here, the Lasfit is brighter than the high carry. Alright, so let's complete the install and we'll drive with both Lasfit on. Alright, so passenger side has been installed. They look nice. So with this one, comparing the high carry side by side with the Lasfit, the Lasfit are a lot better for sure. But we will test the Lasfit together, basically passenger side and driver side together. We will test them in the road. Let's go. Hello guys, so we're going to test the Lasfit on both sides. So it is installed passenger side and driver side together. So let's test it. That makes a difference. That's a lot of difference in there. But yeah, so they are bright. The road is wet right now. and yeah, the visibility really improves with the fog lights on if you have the LED one. But if you have stock halogen bulbs on your fog lights, yeah, good luck with that. But yeah, so these are brighter, definitely brighter than the Hikari. So, and yeah, same price point, and these are way better. The fan, it is big, so you expect it to be a little bit on the louder side, but it's okay. You cannot hear that from the inside of the car, so that's fine. But giving you more brightness needs more cooling, right? So yeah, so these are awesome. So if you want to purchase this, just click the link in the description below. If you want to save 10%, use my discount code FGSAVE10. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.